Business leaders need an easier way to reduce manufacturing errors. The solution is incredibly easy to set up and use and remarkably fast. Can take just a couple of hours to deploy. Most important, it's designed to save you money. Lots of money. IBM Maximo Visual Inspection Mobile is the new way forward. This solution stops defects at the point of installation, reducing rework and improving overall quality. So, what does it take to install this brand new must-have technology? Approximately 90 minutes and an iOS device. IBM Maximo Visual Inspection Mobile doesn't require any expensive equipment, cameras, or even a data scientist. The self-learning machine algorithms are designed to work in the hands of the people that manage your manufacturing lines, and takes just a matter of hours to build a working model, with little to no interruption to production. This solution is preventing over 200 vehicle defects per day, saving the company thousands of dollars. And here's what a few other major manufacturers think about the powerful IBM Maximo Visual Inspection Mobile solution. IBM Maximo Visual Inspection Mobile is a smart new way to detect and correct misbuilds before they move down the line. IBM Maximo Visual Inspection Mobile. Let's make smart easy.